Hey everyone, my name is 100 Pony Gaming, and today we're gonna play some more Animal Jam! Yay! And I'm gonna party with my jammers. Say pie if you have red bat glasses. I don't even have red black glasses, cause I'm gonna just dance here like I'm disrespecting people. Trades except tree battas. What tree batta? Someone just send me a mail. Oh. It's just, AJH headquarters. Yeah. Animal Jam headquarters. Why is people sending trades? I'm not interested in sending, people's trades. Actually, hold on. I know what to trade. Hold on. Trade. I want to add something. If someone wants to trade me, I have rares. I'm going to leave there, cause I think I get something special if I actually come into my DM if you have a flower crown. No, too late. I'm too slow. Hold on. Okay, let's go, to our adventure with Cosmo. Talk to Cosmo. Hold on. Did you talk to it? We've made it to the Python Hive, and not to move it too soon. The Python King has found a way into Jama. And if you can't stop him, all the Jama will be in danger. Oh, frick. Okay, the king is dwelling deep inside the cave. To find him, we need to travel down into the dark hive. The only adventure we need to hurry and be extra careful. I chose hard so that I can actually do something hard. I'm hardcore, guys. Okay, remember to click on the Python webs or anything else that I might have put in the way. Okay. And be sure to keep your eyes peeled to anything strange or unusual you see. Let's go! Alright, explore the hive. Alright. I'm hiding. Hold on. I'm just gonna explore. What? I used my left hand? Yay! Yay. Where's the Python King? Okay, Okay, I don't want to read this all. Oh my goodness, there's so many. I chose hard mode for some reason, because I wanted to go hard. Hold on. Yeah! Oh, whoops. Looks like he's here safely. Dangerous here. Okay, find 4 lava crystals. Is this a checkpoint? Oh, I have torch. What do I need the torch for? What do I need the torch for? Got a lava crystal. Oh no! Just in case. Lava crystal is hidden. I saw a lava crystal somewhere. Hold on. Hold on. Here we go. I'll be right back to get all of the lava crystals. Right, the last crystal. Oh my goodness. Boom. Panda King can only be defeated. Isn't protected by his zapping. Yeah. If you get close to him, the king will slam against the ground. Make sure you get out of the way. When he slams against the ground, his eye loses focus and now he's gone. When that happens, use your boom seeds on him. Him lies beyond that door, and you're the only hope to defeat him. Good luck! I accidentally said, "This is awesome." Whoops. Now I don't have... No, where's my boom seeds? Oh no. No, I died. Hold on. No! Go! Ow! Hold on. Yay! We defeated the Python King. Hold on. Where's Cosmo? Hold on, guys. Okay, there you are. That was incredible! You were so brave, of course. Whoa. It's a little laggy. Alright. Spite skips always my den. Alright. Whoops. Let's go to our den. Welcome to my den, guys. No. Alright. No, I'm not switching into an animal. Hold on. Let me just dance. Hold on. How do you sit? Where do... I don't even have a seat. Wow. I think I should buy some furniture. Yay! Okay, let's do our victory dance. Oh my goodness. What I just did. Yay! We did it. We did it. We defeated the Python King. We did it. We did it. In hard mode. Alright. What the heck? Is this how I play? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And bye.